Okay, we got all the light bulbs in and everything wired in today. All the screens are, every single one of these vents and screens functional with the handles. And I'll have to get a click-clack couch in here. I better hit my... Here we go. Our closet. Here's the lake. And that's where she lived most of her life, I'm assuming. And we got the, must be the vent. There we go. Everything's like brand new. Got a little bit of, looks like maybe rust, but pretty good shape. Everything came totally stocked. We've got all kinds of stuff. This all came with the trailer. All these dishes, set of canisters, the mates to them. It's got a cool vintage light under there. This all came totally stocked. Kinds of stuff. Oh, that one's empty. Let's see what's in here. It's like they put just a little bit of flooring in there. And then we got the... This is like brand new. It's completely soft and supple to the touch. You can hear the fridge working. Came with plates and coffee. These drawers are full of white plates and turkey platters and yeah. Oops, the door didn't close. So we got 3 pocket doors, which is cool. This is a separate room here. So there's a pocket door here that it's got a lock, closes off. Vanity area. Another pocket door there. Little closet spaces on the side there. More closet. Hey. Gotta find a light to go there for some reason. It's not there. And we got, those are the curtains that were in the back. Closet and drawers there. And then the bathroom. And we go back to bedroom here. Pocket door here as well. It's like a submarine. These closed off doors.